It's raining outside there. I am doing this video for our global audience. Today I am going to discuss you why Tron will reach $2 per one Tron. Now it's trading at 3 cents. I will show you the graphs. Okay, you listen to this video until the end. Uh, I will tell why Tron will kill Ethereum coin and Ethereum will not be there in the future because of these reasons. Now, when you see this Tron scan, you can see now Tron is close to 20 million accounts. Day by day, this number of accounts you can see it's increasing. Also, when you see the short term trends, daily transaction volume is increasing. You can see this clearly. So if I take a close look at this, you can see if you draft a line, you can see daily transaction volume, total transaction volume is increasing clearly. The reason is Tron is the king of smart contracts. That is the main reason why Tron is becoming king of the smart contracts, because of the lower gas fees, lower transaction cost, lower transaction time. Because of this kind of reasons, Tron becoming popular and popular, finally it will reach 2 USDs, most probable. The probability is more than 90%. Ethereum will die because of this Tron coin, because Ethereum has huge transaction fees. I will prove you this point in end of this video. When you see this graph clearly, you can see 2020 February month transactions was like 800,000, but gradually you can see 1 million, then again 1.9 million, 2 million. Now it's increased into 2.9 million today. Now this transaction volume will lead Tron price to higher and higher levels. Now this Tron coin specialty is this coin build up with a great vision. That is the main reason. If I show you further details, you can see what is the which cryptocurrencies have lowest average transaction fees. Number one is Tron. You can see Monero 2 USD, Bitcoin 1 dash point 0.3, Ethereum 0.3, Ripple 0.003, Tron is 0.00009.1. Because of this reason, some of the main coins now in top 20 list will not be in top 20 list in future. Because of these higher transaction fees, you will lose your arm and leg for one transaction. Who wants to pay bigger transaction fees for the same transaction? Because of these reasons, in future, maybe Bitcoin or Ethereum will not be in the market if people lose trust. This is a huge drawback to these major coins. And also I want to remember you, this name called altcoins, alternative coins, is a scam name promoted by Bitcoin promoters. The reason is they can differentiate Bitcoin from altcoins. That is a scam. Don't use the altcoin name. It is favorable to Bitcoin. Again, I will tell you one reason why Ethereum should die. When you go to this lion share, okay, you can see Ethereum 0.4 to join lion share. This is a famous smart contract, but this is not the thing I am not going to tell you. You can see gas cost. They have huge gas cost problem. Because of that, a participant have to wait 16.15 minutes. When I see this in evening, it was 70 minutes. Who want to wait 70 minutes to do a smart contract? No one want to wait for 70 minutes to do a smart contract. So clearly Ethereum will die. So if you have Ethereum, you take a decision. Anyway, I am not a qualified financial advisor, or I am not providing you financial advice, but you can see what is the truth and what is the fake. Don't take these points as financial advice. Do your own research and get your own decision. Sorry for I am talking very loudly because raining outside. මේ ලංකාවුන් ඉන්නන වැඩිය ගණන් ගන්න එපා සුද්දන්ට වීඩියෝ එක දැම්මේ ලංකාවුන් බලලා අවුල් යන්න එපා. Anyway, if there are new people to our channel, please subscribe. We normally do cryptocurrency videos, stock market videos, and so. Anyway, definitely Tron coin will be reaching $2. There is very high possibility, so you know what to do. Goodbye.